I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is electric ovens, double layers. For this model, we come in with the 240 volts and the 3 phases units. So we can take a look at the front first and then give you the measurements. The unit's entire length is about like 38 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like 30.5 inches. And the overall height of the units, they are about like 58.5 inches tall. For these models, they didn't come any wheels or legs at the bottoms, just directly lay on the ground. And when we look in the front, we can see they have a controller sections right here. Front and bottom, they separate. We do having the switchers, they control for the power and the fan, and also having the timers. You have 2 indicators to show you one for the power, one for the heat, and temperature adjusters, and also having the lights and the power switches here. And on the side of the units, we're having the ETL and the NSF sanitation stickers on the side, and they mark with the details and the cut sheets on the units too. When we open the top side, we can see they have 5 racks. All the racks, you can adjust the heights. Let me give you the measurements too. For this rack space, they are about like 21 inches deep. And 29 inches wide. Heights, they're almost about like 19.5 inches tall. So also the inner side of the units, they having a big fan at the behind of the units, and they do having the ventilation exhaust you can see over there, and also having the lights, 2 lights at the inner side. The bottom units will be the same. For this door, they have 2 separate handles. You can open and close one by one. We can take a look at the behind of the units. When we're looking back of the units, we see they have an exhaust connection for each of the units. Motors separate, they have a mark on it. Okay. For these motors, I'm gonna give you the measurements again. They are about like 11 inches deep. And the overall heights, they are almost about like 12.5 inches tall. And the width of this area, they are about like 11.5 inches wide. Bottom will be the same at this space. Thank you for watching these videos. This is all detailed information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.